Okay, you guys, I am loving this new brow kit for Mary Kay. This is part of a limited edition spring line that we just released. So I just want to walk you through exactly how to use it because it's a new product, and just so you understand completely what the steps entail. I'll clean off my little brush here. Okay, so in your little compact, you've got a dual-ended brush that's got these little angled brushes. Do you see that on either end? So the first product on the left side of your compact is going to be a pomade. So what you want to do is pick up some of this, and you're just brush. I've already done my brows this morning, but I'm going to walk you through this again. I got to look in my mirror. You're just brushing that through, and that's just going to kind of shape and form your brows. And it's got a little bit of kind of almost tacky stickiness to it because it's a pomade. So it's going to give then the second step, which is the powder, something to cling to. So you pick up some of this powder, and the way I personally like to do it, I like to do my little start there. You see my little start line? And then I like to just go in and just fill in any sparse areas. But for me, since I have blonde hair and I have essentially translucent eyebrows, they have no color before I put color in them, the blonde kit is perfect for me because it's not too much color. Then you're gonna grab this other little spoolie brush that's in here, and you're just gonna gently comb through, which is gonna kind of blend out the color. Oh, isn't that perfect? Let's do the other side because it's gonna be a little darker than usual because I've already done them once this morning, but I forgot to film. I forgot to video. So I want to walk you back through it just so if you're on the fence about whether to order this, it's such a great deal. Shoot, I forgot to look up the price before. Hang on. Before I made the video, let me give you a price on this. It is $28 for the brow kit, and you're getting these three. Oh, I forgot to do the third product. Let me show you what it does. Okay, so see how you're shaping and getting a little bit of that tackiness in there with the pomade. Then you're grabbing the brow powder, and again, let me get here where you can see it. I kind of do my little start line, boop, you see that? And then I work in little strokes to just fill in with some color. Now you may have perfect, thick, lush brows. Congratulations. I do not. Mine are non-existent, so I have to kind of create them. And it comes in 3 shades. It comes in blonde, brunette, and dark brunette. And my assistant Monica was just over here, and I thought she would be brunette, but she needed the dark brunette. Looked really good on her. Okay, so this is so much better for me. Then you take your ring finger and you just pop a little bit of that highlighter right there under the brow. And this is such a neat product because it has just the tiniest little hint of an iridescence, but it's not really like, you don't really want a shimmer or a sparkle going on up there. Save the sparkle and shimmer for down here in the corners of your eye. But this, you just want a mostly matte, just with a slightly iridescent, just makes things pop right there. But see how pretty that is? $28 for your brow kit. Gives you perfectly defined brows, but it's not too much for me. So if you have blonde hair or gray hair, I would say the blonde. If you have light brown hair or red hair, I would do the brunette. And then if you have dark hair and dark brows, I'd do the dark brunette. But reach out to your Mary Kay girl because everyone can order these now. They're available. We can hook you up, and you too can have perfect brows.